Hi all, how are you? So again, why? I don't know when we will finish it. I really don't know because we still have a lot of coins. Today, again, I don't want to waste our time. Download my app, you remember, my coins. You can see all requisites, all descriptions below this video. And just let's start. I want to move and to continue to sort my coins. I want to finish with it. I don't know when. Okay, let's go. So my gloves is here and we continue to sort our coins. We still have a lot of coins here. So let's dive into it. I see this beautiful coin. What a beautiful coin. 100 forint. What a beautiful coin. It's bimetallic coin, you know. It's Europe. I should put it here, but I will put it here because I want to update this coin in my Instagram. In Instagram I put my very beautiful coins that I have, so I'll put it there. You can follow me in my Instagram. It will be pleasure for me. Guatemala, it's America. Okay, another coin, 5 pence from United Kingdom. Cuba is here. Okay, 1 rupee from India. Also, next step will be update all of my coins in my app, and so I will know how much all the things worth. How many money I have here, in dollars. I want to know. I think we have here something about I don't know, maybe $100. So I will know what is my status, how much money I have here. Again, let's see, it's from Thailand, ASEAN. 100 shekel, Israel. Syria. 25 agorot, Israel. Oh, I saw this coin. It's America coin. My dream is to come to America. So we have some coins here. I'll put it there. This is Ukraine, 50 kopeyok. 10 shekel, Israel. 5 forint, Hungary. Another 10 forint, Hungary. 2 kopeyok, Ukraine. It's $1 from where? Australia! Wow, we also don't have Australia here. Wow, so we don't have Australia. I didn't even know that I have coin from Australia. So I'll put it just in America, but we have Australia, so we will know it. 5 agorot, Israel. 20 euro cent, very beautiful. Europe. It's Turkey. The flag of Turkish is like this, so I know. Shekel, Israel. 1 cent from America. 10 shekel from Israel. 5 zloty, Poland. Also, I like bimetallic coins, it's very beautiful. Europe. 10 agorot, Israel. Syria. 5 what? Groszy, it's Poland. Okay, so we'll put it in Europe. Turkish, here. 50 forint. So again, I have a lot of coins from some countries, so if you want it, we could swap it. Okay, follow my app so you will see what coin I have in different couples, so you will know what I can swap with you. This is somewhere, I think it's from Japan, so I'll put it here. Again, Turkish, here. 20 centimeters. I didn't know I have so many centimeters. Okay, let's put it here. This is 2. Okay, half franc. I think it's France, or maybe it's from It's France. Here, Europe. 5 forint, Hungary. 50 bani, Romania. I think it's from Georgia. No, it's from somewhere from Asia. Okay, what is this? Okay, it's from Czech Republic. 10 centimes. I didn't know I have 10 centimes. 1 lira Israeli. Israel. 20 forint. 20 euro cent. What is it? Repubblica Portuguesa. Portugalia. Wow, I didn't know I have this one. 50 groszy Poland. This is Constantine. Romania. You can see it. Okay. Oh, what is this beautiful coin? 1 ruble. Hey? 20 euro cent. 1 koruna Czeszka, Europe. 5 groszy, it's Poland, I think. Polska. Wow, we do so much job and we still have a lot of coins, but you know, we will do it. We will end it somewhere. Another 2 coin from 2 ruble from Russia. It's Israel as 10 shekel. It's no, Syria. Israel. What is this coin? Tourism year. India. 1 rupee. It's some commemorative coin, I think. Let's see. I don't know. We will check it later. Okay. India. What is this beautiful coin? 10 centimos. Peru. Another beautiful coin. I have the previous one that I didn't. Okay, and I have this one. I'll put there together, I think, in my Instagram. No, what is this one? It's Azerbaijan, Asia. 5 something from. I think it's Hong Kong. Let's put it here. Israel, Syria, Euro cent, Israel, Czech Republic, 50 centavos, sorry, Argentina. Another centavos from Argentina? Yeah. 50 stotinka, Bulgaria. Bulgaria, Europe. 5 lirot Israeliot. It's Israel. It's Israel. It is also Israel. 1 shekel from Israel. 10 shekalim Israel. Wow. 100 prutah Israel. Syria. Please write me in comment below if you want to swap with me some coins, because I have a lot of. 2 Mexicanos. Here. Euro coin, Euro cent. Israel, Agorot, Israel. 100 prutah Israel. 10 forint Hungary. Oh, what condition of this coin is very, very bad. It's 10 prutah, it's from Israel. 100 shekel, Israel. Centavos, Argentina. 5 forint. What is this coin? 5 Prutah, Israel. Why? I don't know how to clean this coin even. But you will help me. Please write me in comments below how I should clean this coin. Because I don't know. Canada, Canada, no, where? It's Israel. Where is my Canada? I like Canada. Here. No, it's Czech Republic. Okay, this one. No, it's 5 pence. Maybe it was not Canada. It's UK. This one is from Mexico also. Okay, half shekel. It's Israel. Okay, so I don't want my videos will be too long. You will be very boring. Write me please if you want to make it longer. But for now I will stop because you know it's over 2 minutes, so you know I don't want to bore you. Okay, 100 prutah, and we will end for now. Thank you very much. Okay, why? We have a lot of coins, sorted coins, but we still have a lot of coins also here in my box, so I will continue next video, I think. So guys, have a nice day. Please comment below if you have some suggestion or some questions, and subscribe my channel, like this video if you like what I did, and see you next video. Bye bye.